Seconds before hell. Imagine this, a normal day. You're walking outside, sipping coffee, scrolling through your phone. Then suddenly, a blinding flash. Brighter than the sun. A few seconds later, a shockwave knocks cars into the air, shatters buildings, and throws people like paper dolls. It's a nuclear explosion. If you're at ground zero, there's no chance. But if you're farther away, you have 10 seconds to act. And what you do next can mean life or death. What happens during a nuclear blast? Flash of light, hundreds of times brighter than the sun, causes third-degree burns in milliseconds. Shockwave, traveling over 1,000 km/h, destroys buildings and bones alike. Thermal radiation, temperatures over 1 million degrees at the center. Everything burns instantly. Ionizing radiation, invisible and deadly. After 15 to 20 minutes, radioactive fallout, dust and ash that kill slowly. What to do in the first 10 seconds? See a flash. Turn away. Close your eyes. Looking directly will blind you. Drop to the ground, face down. Cover your head and ears with your hands. Open your mouth slightly to prevent your eardrums from bursting. Find any cover, curb, car, concrete wall. Count to 30. The shockwave has likely passed, but this is just the beginning. You have 20 minutes to get shelter. Fallout begins falling after 15 minutes. It's invisible and it's deadly. Your goal, get indoors fast. Ideal shelter, basement, parking garage, subway, or a windowless building. The thicker the walls, the better. Close all doors, block any openings. First 24 hours. Lockdown for survival, stay inside. Shut all windows, vents, and cracks. Block doors with towels or duct tape. Use sealed water only. Eat only canned or packaged food. Breathe through fabric or a mask. If you have a radio, turn it on. It might be your only source of news. Electricity and internet may be gone. Decontamination, remove radiation from your body. If you are outside, remove all clothing. It eliminates up to 90% of radiation particles. Seal clothes in a plastic bag. Shower thoroughly with soap. No water? Use wipes, cloth, or alcohol to clean your skin. Change into clean, layered clothes. Cover your head and neck. If available, take potassium iodide to protect your thyroid from radiation. Chilling facts you should know. Hiroshima, 140,000 people died. Not instantly, but over weeks. Many died from burns, radiation sickness, and infections. In some areas, only shadows of people remained on walls. Fallout poisons everything: soil, air, and water. Survivors suffered from cancer, mutations, and infertility. But those who followed the right steps had a chance. Final words. This is not panic. It's preparation. And this video is not to scare you. It's here to give you a chance to survive. You can't stop a nuclear bomb, but you can be ready. Save this video. share it with your loved ones. Someday, this might save a life.